Alright guys, so congratulations to all X holders. Okay, X just listed. Okay, and right in this video I'm gonna be showing you the process on how to sell your X tokens. Okay, don't forget to sell your X tokens. You will have to convert it first to USDT. So to do that, first thing you need to do is to come over to your asset right here. And so if you come over to asset right here, you can see here we have funding and unified trading accounts. So yours should be on unified. So if yours is not on unified, if yours is on funding, you will have to transfer it to unified. Okay, so to do that, come over to transfer right here. So I'm gonna be using this BTC as example. Okay, so you can see from preset right here, we have from funding account to unified trading account. So that is how yours should be. That is if your X tokens is on funding account, but if it's already on unified trading account, leave it that way. Okay, now if yours is on funding, make sure you do this. Okay, you can see from funding to unified. Now here you can see right here the coin, so you select X. Okay, this is X. Okay, and the next thing here you need to do is to go ahead and input the amount of X which you want to move from funding to unified. So if you want to move everything, you click on maximum and go ahead and click on confirm, and automatically your funds will be moved from funding to unified. But I believe yours should be on unified. Take note of that. If yours is on unified already, just leave it that way. Now to convert this or to sell your X tokens, what you need to do is to come over to trade icon right here. So you can see here I am on X already, but just in case yours is not on X, kindly tap on this place and come over to the search bar, search for X, and this is it. You can see here they have X/USDT, so yours should be on X/USDT, and this is it. You can see the current price right now. So now to sell your X tokens right here, what you need to do, you can see here they have buy and sell. So since you are here to sell, you go ahead and click on sell, and this is it. Now you can see, take note of here, you can see where they wrote limit. So we are not selling at the limit price, rather you click on here and select market. The reason why we are selecting market is because you want to sell at the current price. Okay, so the next thing here is the quantity of X tokens which you want to sell. Okay, let's assume you have like 100 X tokens and you want to sell all, so you can actually use this. Okay, this is 45%. You can select, if you want to say, or then you drag it to the very last, that is 100%, or you can equally use here, type the amount of X which you want to say. Now once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to click on the sell button right here. You can see nothing to select because I don't really have the X tokens right here on this Bybit. Okay, so once you click on sell, automatically your X will be converted to USDT. So you have to take note of this. Okay, selling here doesn't mean you are gonna sell and receive your local currency. No, rather what we just finished doing now is converting your X tokens to USDT. Now once you are done with that, you come over to your asset right here and you will see that your tokens will be here as USDT right here on the unified trading account. Now to sell your USDT, don't forget you just finished converting your X to USDT. So at this point you will have to move from this unified to funding. Don't forget what we did before was moving from funding to unified. Okay, so to sell your USDT must always be on funding. Okay, it must be on funding. Now once you are done moving your USDT from unified to funding, the next thing you need to do is either you sell via P2P or you sell it to someone close to you. And guess what, I have already done a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell your USDT right here on Bybit via P2P. So I'm gonna leave the link to that video right here in the description, so go ahead and watch that video. That video will actually take you through the process on how to sell your USDT without being scammed or without getting scammed. Okay, so make sure you watch that video. Now before I leave, don't forget what we did here is converting your X to USDT, and now to sell your USDT which you are going to receive your cash into your local bank, you have to sell this either via P2P or deposit in cryptos. So like I said, I've already made a video on how to do that. Check out the video via the link in the description. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. I believe this video was helpful. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you'll be notified. So guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget, for early access to updates like this, consider joining my Telegram channel. I'm gonna pin the link right there in the description and also in the comment section. So see you in my next video.